It looks like Japanese beetles are back. How can I tell? Look at the skeletonized leaves. Japanese beetles attack over 300 species of plants. They have chewing mouth parts. They like to chew or eat the plant tissue right in between the veins, hence the skeletonized leaves. So how do you control Japanese beetles? There's a couple of ways to do that. One is just get a bowl of warm soapy water and just knock them in. That'll get them, especially if you do that in the morning time or late in the evening, because they're eating so much, at that point in time, they're real sluggish and they're easy just to knock in. Or if you wanted to use a low impact pesticide, I recommend using neem oil. Yes, neem oil. It is an oil from the Azadirachtin tree, and it should help reduce the number of Japanese beetles that you will have on your plant material. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.